Hello everyone, in this video I am going to talk about what printf function will return. Such type of questions they used to ask in interview as well as in competitive exams, in aptitude rounds. What printf function will return, like a user defined function, suppose integer ab function is there. After doing integer ab function is after doing certain operations, if you will write return 1, means the ab function, the function abc, the return type of the function abc is integer. Here after at the end of the ab functions it is returning value 1. Like that, what printf function will return? The printf function is a predefined function, so most of the students will not aware about such type of questions or such type of concept. So I will try to tell the what printf function will return. Okay, simply you have to say in one line answer, printf functions returns number of printable character. Okay, sometimes they will ask in aptitude rounds, like example, suppose main function is here, main integer I equal to printf a b c d printf percentage d comma I, and they will give some option a, that is a b c d garbage, b a b c d 4, c d something none. This is sometimes such type of questions will ask in MCQ round, in technical round. So you should aware what printf function will return, how exactly printf function is working. Okay. In the main functions we are using the printf functions. Here we are using printf functions used to print ABCD character. Here we are using printf functions to print ABCD character. I already told you the printf function returns number of printable character. That's why here the printf functions printing a b c d, that is 4 character. That's why here the printf functions will return the value 4. The value 4 will stored inside the variable I. So content of I variable becomes 4. Initially it will print abcd, at the end it will return value 4 and it will store inside the variable I. Initially the printf function prints abcd value and at the end it will return the printable character, that is 4 value, and it will stored inside the variable I. After that again we are calling printf functions to print the content of variable I. That's why it will print the value 4. So the answer is B. So the answer is B, A, B, C, D, 4. But sometimes students are not that much aware about such type of questions. So what they will do, simply initially the content of variable I is garbage, and here the printf function prints ABCD, and here printf functions printing the value of I, that is garbage. So they simply choose the answer A. This is a definitely wrong answer. So this is a very easy questions, very simple questions, but because of the concept they are unable to solve such type of questions. So please try to understand the concept. Please be aware about such type of functions. There is also one more function in there, scanf functions. There is number of functions are there. So you should aware. Try to understand the prototype. Try to understand the definitions. Thank you.